Want whiter, more brilliant teeth? Have dismal gray or yellow stains caused your sparkling whites to lose their luster? While numerous typical foods, beverages, and even mouthwashes can stain teeth, tooth stains can also develop as we age. Self-care techniques can assist in teeth whitening, and avoiding things that discolor teeth can avert further discoloration. Restore your dazzling smile by using these tips for whiter teeth. Do-it-yourself whitening teeth. You might be able to remove surface stains on your own. Stains may be reduced by using a variety of at-home tooth whitening kits, strips, toothpastes, and rinses. Even some conventional treatments are available for you to try. Mild bleach is used in tooth whitening products seen on drugstore shelves to whiten stained teeth. Abrasives and chemicals are used by toothpastes to remove surface stains. You might want the aid of a dentist for severe stains. Kits for teeth whitening. Carbamide peroxide, a bleach used in home tooth whitening kits, may remove both surface and deep stains and actually alters the color of your teeth. A tooth bleaching kit can be useful if your teeth are discolored with coffee. Some kits need you to clean the surface of your teeth with a little brush while applying a peroxide-based gel. The gel is in a tray that conforms to the teeth in other kits. For a week or more, the tray must be worn every day for 30 to 45 minutes. Home whitening strips 4/16 tooth whitening strips can assist in removing stains from teeth. These undetectable, incredibly tiny strips have a peroxide-based whitening cream applied to them. For a week or longer, you wear them for a few minutes each day. Results become apparent within a few days and last for at least a year. Although the results from using the strips are not as striking as those from whitening kits, they are simple to use and nearly foolproof. Toothpastes and rinses for teeth whitening. How can spots on teeth be removed? Some surface stains can be removed with toothpastes, gels, and rinses available over the counter. Many of these products include small amounts of chemicals, polishing agents, or light abrasives. They don't alter the natural color of teeth like bleaches do. How to whiten teeth at home. Some people still like the time-tested DIY method of softly whitening teeth at home with baking soda and a toothbrush. Additionally, certain foods like celery, apples, pears, and carrots cause a lot of saliva to be produced, which aids in washing away food particles from your teeth. The process of chewing sugarless gum stimulates salivation while simultaneously cleaning the teeth. Saliva has the added benefit of neutralizing the acid that causes tooth decay. More saliva is generally beneficial for teeth. Dental work and tooth whitening. If you have numerous dental veneers, bonding, fillings, crowns, and bridges, proceed with tooth whitening with caution. These artificial teeth will stand out amid your newly whitened natural teeth because bleach won't lighten them. You might need to look into additional dental work, such as veneers or bonding, to match your brighter teeth. Keeping teeth white. The tooth enamel's outer layer erodes as we become older. Dentin, the layer beneath, is a yellower color. To prevent teeth from being stained in the first place is crucial, especially after whitening. The effects of teeth whitening may last up to a year if you exercise caution when consuming meals and beverages that stain teeth. Maintaining your new smile is important since excessive tooth whitening can make your teeth appear transparent and blue. Keep lights off to maintain white teeth. Smoking is among the greatest offenders when it comes to discoloring teeth, in addition to being harmful for your health. Brown stains from tobacco enter the pits and grooves of dental enamel. By simply brushing, tobacco stains can be challenging to get rid of. The stains get more difficult to remove the longer you smoke. Additionally to causing foul breath and gingivitis, gum disease, smoking raises your risk of developing most cancers. For whitening your teeth simply from home, just click on the link below the video. Please like and subscribe our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.